Have you ever wondered how dangerous the Amazon jungle really is? Picture a realm of enigma and danger, a world that teems with life in its most exotic forms. This is the Amazon jungle, a place that often feels more like a dream than reality. Its sheer size is enough to boggle the mind, spanning over 2 million square miles. Picture it, an area larger than the entirety of Western Europe, blanketed in a sea of emerald green. Yet, it's not just the size that's mind-boggling, it's the biodiversity. The Amazon is home to an estimated 400 billion individual trees representing 16,000 species. It's a living, breathing menagerie of wildlife, a testament to the unbridled power of Mother Nature. But this isn't a paradise. This is a realm where beauty intertwines with danger, where every breath is a gamble. But beneath this allure lies a world fraught with perils. So how dangerous is the Amazon jungle? The Amazon is home to some of the deadliest creatures on Earth. Among the vibrant foliage and dense undergrowth, danger lurks in the form of the poison dart frog. Don't be fooled by their small size and brilliant colors. Their skin secretes a potent toxin used by indigenous tribes to tip their blowgun darts. Just 2 micrograms of this toxin, the equivalent of 2 grains of table salt, are enough to stop a human heart. A creature no larger than a paperclip, the bullet ant, takes the crown for the most painful insect sting in the world. Their name is no accident. Those unfortunate enough to experience it compare the pain to being shot. The venom causes waves of burning, throbbing, all-consuming pain that can last for up to 24 hours. But it's not just the tiny terrors we need to be cautious of. The green anaconda, the heaviest snake in the world, also calls the Amazon its home. With an average length of 17 feet, these formidable predators can weigh up to 500 pounds. They are known for their incredible strength and their ability to swallow prey much larger than their head. These snakes are ambush predators. They lie in wait, camouflaged in the water, ready to strike when an unsuspecting creature comes to drink. They constrict their prey, squeezing tighter with each exhale until the victim can no longer draw breath. It's a slow and terrifying end. The Amazon rainforest is a place of beauty, diversity, and danger. Every creature, from the smallest insect to the largest snake, plays a crucial role in maintaining this delicate ecosystem. Their presence is a reminder that the Amazon, while mesmerizing, is not a place for the faint-hearted. But these are not the only dangers lurking in the Amazon. The Amazon's terrain is as treacherous as its wildlife. Imagine a colossal, sprawling maze of greenery, where every turn is an invitation to peril. The Amazon is not just a rainforest. It's an intricate labyrinth of dense vegetation, teeming with life and danger. Here, towering trees form a thick canopy, often blocking sunlight and making navigation a feat in itself. The undergrowth is a chaotic tangle of plants and vines where one might encounter poisonous plants or venomous snakes, turning a simple trek into a hazardous journey. Then there are the swamps. These marshy lands, often hidden by a deceptive layer of green, can swallow a person whole. Trudging through them is not just physically exhausting, but also a game of Russian roulette, as one never knows what lurks beneath the murky waters. Anacondas, the world's largest snakes, are known to frequent these swamps, their bodies blending seamlessly with the mud and vegetation. And let's not forget the rivers, the lifelines of the Amazon. They may appear serene from afar, but they teem with dangers unseen. These waters house piranhas, known for their razor-sharp teeth and aggressive feeding frenzies, and electric eels, capable of generating a shock of 600 volts. A dip in these waters is not a refreshing swim, it's a plunge into a world of predators. Navigating through this treacherous terrain is no walk in the park. It requires skill, resilience, and a hefty dose of courage. Every step is a test of one's survival instincts, a challenge to overcome the fear of the unknown. This is not a place for the faint-hearted. It's a wilderness that demands respect and vigilance. Yet, the dangers of the Amazon go beyond its physical challenges. From the microscopic parasites that can invade your body to the tribal conflicts that can erupt without warning, the Amazon is a place where danger comes in many forms. But these challenges also serve as a stark reminder of the raw, untamed beauty of nature and the importance of preserving this vital ecosystem for future generations. In the Amazon, the most dangerous threats are often the ones you can't see. The Amazon is a treasure trove of biodiversity, but it's also a breeding ground for some of the world's deadliest diseases. Living in the shadows of its grandeur are microscopic killers carried by the smallest of creatures. Mosquitoes, for instance, are responsible for spreading malaria, Zika, and dengue fever. Every year, thousands of people fall victim to these diseases. But mosquitoes are just the tip of the iceberg. In the murky waters of the Amazon lurk invisible parasites. The most notorious among them is perhaps the candiru, a tiny fish that can swim up the human urinary tract, causing excruciating pain and potential death. Then there's the schistosoma, a type of flatworm that causes schistosomiasis, a disease that affects hundreds of thousands of people in the region. Another unseen threat comes from the vegetation itself. The Amazon is home to countless poisonous plants. Take the manchineel tree, for example, also known as the tree of death. Its sap can cause severe skin burns, while consuming its fruit can be fatal. And then there's the poison dart frog, whose skin contains deadly toxins used by indigenous tribes for their blowgun darts. These threats are not limited to the jungle's inhabitants. They pose a significant risk to anyone who dares to venture into this vast wilderness. Without the right knowledge and precautions, the consequences can be dire. But these hidden threats serve a purpose. They contribute to the intricate balance of the Amazon's ecosystem. They're part of what makes the Amazon, the Amazon. Every creature, every plant, every microbe plays a role in this intricate web of life. So, while the Amazon may be fraught with hidden dangers, it is also a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. It reminds us of the resilience and complexity of nature, and of our own vulnerability in the face of it. So, is the Amazon the most dangerous place on Earth? Humans too play a part in the dangers of the Amazon. Our actions, sometimes driven by profit or ignorance, can lead to irreversible damage to this unique and fragile ecosystem. Deforestation is one such activity. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the planet's lungs, is slowly being choked by the relentless cutting of trees. This is not only a threat to the myriad species that call the Amazon home, but also to the global climate. The Amazon acts as a massive carbon sink, absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. When trees are cut down, they release this stored carbon back into the atmosphere, contributing to global warming. Another threat comes from the illegal wildlife trade, a black market that thrives on the exotic and often endangered species found within the Amazon. This trade not only threatens the survival of these species, but it disruptively alters the balance of the ecosystem. Predators and prey, plants and insects, every living thing in the Amazon is connected in a complex web of life. When one strand is pulled, the entire web can unravel. The human impact on the Amazon doesn't stop at its borders. The indigenous people who have lived in harmony with the forest for centuries are also at risk. Their homes are being destroyed and their way of life threatened. The loss of their knowledge, their understanding of the forest and its creatures, would be an immeasurable loss to us all. Finally, the threats posed by human activities can boomerang back to us. The destruction of the Amazon could lead to a loss of potential medical breakthroughs. Many of our medicines come from plants, and the Amazon, with its incredible biodiversity, is a treasure trove of potential cures and treatments yet undiscovered. The Amazon is a place of beauty and danger, a testament to the wild and untamed aspects of our world. But it's also a reminder of our responsibility, our role as stewards of this planet. We must respect and protect it for our sake and for the sake of future generations. The Amazon jungle, a place of danger and allure. This vast, pulsating heart of our planet is an ecosystem that is as treacherous as it is breathtaking. We've journeyed through its dense undergrowth, confronted its deadly creatures, surveyed the perilous terrain, and unveiled the hidden threats lurking beneath its green canopy. The Amazon teems with life, but remember, not all of it is friendly. Its inhabitants, from the smallest insects to the largest predators, have evolved to survive in this challenging environment, and their survival often comes at the expense of the unprepared explorer. The terrain itself is a challenge, a labyrinth of water and vegetation that can quickly turn from paradise to peril. The human impact on the Amazon is also a significant threat, not only to the jungle itself but also to those who venture into it. Deforestation, illegal hunting, and climate change are exacerbating the inherent dangers of this remarkable ecosystem. So next time you think about exploring the Amazon, remember what dangers lie beneath its breathtaking beauty.